heavy and persistent rain. On the night of August 12, 2025, Hamilton County, including Chattanooga and the East Ridge suburbs, received nearly 7 inches, about 16 to 17 centimeters of rain in a single night, making it the second wettest day in the city's history since records began in 1879. Roads flooded. Interstate 24, I-24, was closed due to deep flooding, causing severe traffic disruptions. Many cars and homes were trapped or swept away in floodwaters. Rescue teams use inflatable rescue boats to rescue people trapped in cars and homes.
You're good, sister. I'm proud of you, okay?
Got a fighter there, I see.
Other infrastructure was affected, including power lines and fallen trees, making rescue efforts even more difficult. Officials urge people to turn around, don't drown. Do not cross flooded areas, stay away from flooded roads. The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood watch, and be on the lookout for new flooding. Three people, a family of father, mother, and child, died when a tree fell on a car in East Ridge. The fourth case was a man was swept away while trying to cross flooded areas even with a warning barrier. Hamilton County Mayor Weston Wamp declared a local state of emergency overnight on August 12th, which was still in effect on the morning of August 13th. Chattanooga Mayor Tim Kelly warned people of the possibility of more heavy rain and urged them to avoid driving through flooded areas. Don't drive into floodwaters. Local rescue forces, police, firefighters, and swift water rescue teams have been working together to rescue people from flooded cars and homes. They are checking each submerged vehicle for people trapped and using inflatable boats to reach homes.
Dipped. Everyone bailed. Wow.
FEMA is now offering disaster assistance to individuals and businesses, including temporary housing assistance, home repairs, property replacement, and low-interest emergency loans. UTI's Flood Recovery Initiative will hold a field day on August 20th, 2025, in Limestone, TN, to provide recovery updates and share resources. Another man is missing after rescue officials saw him swept away by floodwaters in the Chattanooga area Tuesday night, but were unable to reach him despite searched for him in a rescue boat. There are no specific economic damage figures yet, such as the total damage to homes, vehicles, or infrastructure from the flooding, which is still being assessed and has not been made public. People were trapped in their cars and homes overnight after flash floods hit. Fire crews rescued several people from vehicles that were at risk of being swept away as floodwaters flooded roads. Sheriff's deputies rescued several residents trapped in homes in the East Ridge area as water rose, putting people in inflatable rescue boats. At one point, as many as 60 vehicles were on the flooded interstate, said Chris Adams, Hamilton County's emergency management director. Some rescuers carried people who couldn't walk well through the floodwaters and placed them on the highway median. Barbara Lovelace, Hamilton County 911 operations director, said there were a lot of distress calls coming in, so that 911 calls were on a constant basis, every minute, every hour for about 3 hours, with more than 940 calls from 6 p.m. to midnight. Chattanooga firefighters rescued people trapped in cars and residents trapped in homes, fire department officials said. Flooding closed some sections of Interstate 24 in the area, but it reopened after floodwaters receded. Mayor Womp visited East Ridge on Wednesday. He said that while there were unfortunate casualties, the damage to property and infrastructure wasn't that bad. Every scene you just witnessed is not only a reminder of how fragile we are in the face of nature, but also a warning bell. If you found this video thought-provoking, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the most shocking and raw footage nature has to offer. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.